I'm Hannah, and I'm here to tell you why e-waste is bad for the environment. I think e-waste should be recycled, not burned, because it kills the environment. Computers are everywhere. They're used for communicating, playing games, or just typing something up. So why does everybody want them? Well, first of all, because they're cool. And that's why almost all the computers are only used for about 3 years, and then they aren't used anymore, because of the new computers coming out every year. Who uses computers? Pretty much everyone who wants to, or at least has access to one. During extraction, mountains are mined for metal inside, trashing the planet. During production, when they take the materials and mix them with toxins, so toxins go into the air and kill the earth. Distribution, when they take the finished product to stores. Consumption, when we buy the product not knowing about the toxins inside. Disposal, where they throw away the product and the garbage truck takes them to a place where they burn down the plastic, the precious metals, and pollute the environment even more. All the toxins in the electronics we have a 40% more chance to get blood, brain, or kidney cancer. And sometimes electronics release their toxins even while we're using them. There's a town in China where the air is almost impossible to breathe, and 8 out of 9 children's blood has too much lead in it. But much of the pollution is coming from the cities of the United States. The reason for all of this pollution is because of one rule: out with the old, in with the new. Everyone always wants new gadgets, so everyone keeps. I think we should have take-back law. It means instead of having to pay more to fix the product than actually how much it costs to buy it. Instead of having to buy a whole new one, you could just go and buy an extra part. In 2010, Apple estimated that they were responsible for 14.8 million metric tons of greenhouse gas emissions. Studies show that 98% of Apple's carbon emissions are from the manufacturing, transportation, product use, and the recycling of Apple's products. Apple knows the most important thing they can do is use less material and ship the products in smaller packaging. The chemicals can affect the ocean and the animals that live in it, from plankton to snails, frogs, and carp. All of that ends up in our bodies because of bioaccumulation. That's when the number of toxins increase as it moves up the food chain. More toxins get into that animal from the prey that it ate. And since we are at the top of the food chain, we are most affected by the toxins. Instead of polluting the earth and us, we should actually recycle it the right way. Maybe we can make solar-powered machines that reassemble the electronics, then take the toxic materials to nuclear power plants so that they can use it in some other way. The total computers in the group I am in has 239. I have divided this all up by 19, and it turns out that the average computers per household is 12.5, and 7 out of 19 students have kept their computers for over 8 years. Apple spent 46% on manufacturing, 6% on transportation, 45% on product use, 2% on faculties, and only 1% on recycling. Burning or burying our waste results in huge releases of carbon dioxide and methane into the commons of our atmosphere, therefore promoting an increasing rate of climate change. Reusing resources is more efficient and results in fewer greenhouse gases. If we all do our part in recycling, we can make the world a better place. Remember, world change starts with one person.